Good morning, everybody. Today is a beautiful morning, and today we're gonna take this 1000-watt rear hub motor with 15S battery e-bike for a run. We're gonna find out the top speed, we're gonna find out range with me pedaling and without pedaling. So if you're interested in all that, stay tuned. But for those who are new to this channel, what we got here is a 1000-watt rear hub motor we got off eBay, and we built a DIY 15S 4P battery with Samsung 25R cells, all ourselves, and we put it all together, and now we're taking this bike through its paces. So stay tuned. Alrighty, this morning I started on the range test with me pedaling. So far I have 7.53 miles, that's how far I've gone. And there's only one level of assist, and it's pretty high, so you just barely pedal and it takes you pretty far, especially with me overvolting that motor with 15S setup. So 7.53, and let me show you how much battery I used up so far. If I go to my BMS app, so I'm at 80%, which is 3.9 volts per cell. I started at 4.1 since I charged my batteries only up to 4.1 volts per cell. There's all 15 of them. I'm on to 3.9, so I'm doing real good so far. I'll continue on with this test and see how many miles I can get. Sorry about the wind, but just to let you know, it just completely shut me down. The BMS shut down the pack. It's out of juice. It's 0%, and this is how far we've gone. 23.6 miles. This is with me kind of cheating, using the throttle to get off the line, so I didn't have to shift as much. But yeah, this is with me pedaling 23.6 miles. I'm really happy with the result. It's a real hard assist. I only have one level, like I was saying, and it's amazing result for what it is. I hardly had to pedal, but I mean, I was just turning the pedal just to do it. But yeah, 23.6. So let's do another test and see what I can get without pedaling at all. I wouldn't imagine it's going to be too far from this because of how hard the assist is, and I was using, like I said, I was using throttle to get off the line and stuff. So yeah, amazing result. We'll get it charged up, and then we'll do another test of me just using the throttle. All right, I recharged the battery back up, so it's 100%. If we go to the battery state, it'll shed 61.2 volts, and if we go here, it's almost 4.1 per cell. That's where I've been charging it to, even on the last test. This test will be the same, and yeah, this one's throttle only. This one probably take me a couple days to complete. I'm not gonna go riding all day to drain it, so I'll take it to work tomorrow using throttle only, and I'll report back with results. guys, got the results of using throttle only without any pedals. It's completely dead again. So 18.3 was today, and yesterday I went 1.5 miles, so 19.5 miles total without using pedals at all. So just a little bit less than with using pedals because assist level is so high on this. Anyways, let's do the top speed run and see how many amps it draws. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the top speed run test. What I'm going to do, I'm going to screen record this app. It's going to be in kilometers right up here. It's going to say the speed. Get it to focus. There we go. And then down here we're going to have the amps drawn. I want to keep both of my hands on the wheel. I can't hold this camera and be able to go this fast. So I'm going to screen record this. We're going to watch it, and we'll see how it goes. We'll come back and talk about the results. Alrighty guys, so as you can see from the video, we hit 58 kilometers an hour. 58 kilometers an hour equals 36 miles per hour. This is pretty quick. I held on with both of my hands. I couldn't hold the camera, sorry about that guys. But yeah, we went 36 miles an hour. And also, we drew 27.6 amps out of the packs, which was, we times it by 55 volts. We're drawing 1500 watts. A little over 1500 watts from our battery pack. So yeah, that controller was pretty close to the truth. They said 28 amps, so 27.6 amps is real close to that. And this number is pretty impressive. There is some losses in the converter, I'm sure, so this number is probably less going to the motor, but still close to 1500 watts. It's pretty impressive. Yeah, so those are the top speed results. Hope you enjoyed them. Alrighty guys, I'm extremely pleased with the results. The bike has plenty of power, plenty of speed, and enough range for me. So I'm extremely happy how it's all turned out. It's been a great project. It was a lot of fun to build. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go check out the video of me installing the rear hub eBay kit and also building this 15S 4P battery from scratch with Samsung 24R cells. Make sure you guys like the video, or disliked it if you dislike it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channels because we got plenty more videos coming up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.